Censorship is another example of a great problem that blockchain can help us to solve. Because on the blockchain, data is stored in a decentralized manner and is stored on multiple different machines, no one single centralized entity controls the data, which helps us to prevent data from the censorship. For example, it's almost impossible to get rid of some data, remove some data, modify data, because to do that, you will have to have a control to 51% of the network and modify this data on a 51% of the network. And when we talk about thousands or even maybe millions of users, it's almost impossible challenge. Now, of course, this type of storage creates additional problems and it's much more difficult to maintain. For example, it's pretty simple to store small amounts of the data, like ledger of transactions, like in cryptocurrencies, but it will be much more complicated problem when we need already to store, for example, text messages like on Twitter. It's even more complicated if we talk about different types of content like music or maybe even videos, even more complicated because the data size is even bigger. So it means that different platforms and solutions that are being built right now will have to adopt blockchain's algorithms to keep up with such a big data sizes. But fortunately for us, those type of solutions and platforms already are being built, and some of them even already functioning and proven to be a great solution for big data sizes and great solution for cloud data storage. In other words, fighting with the censorship is another great example of how blockchain can potentially be used in the future.